In the Overseas Key Information Database OKI-DB developed by the Xinhua Data Information Technology Company Limited with links to the Chinese government and the Communist Party, politicians account for the largest group of the high-profile individuals being monitored through their online presence, from ministers to mayors and legislators to members of parliament. The database includes at least 1,350 politicians and lawmakers across parties, BJP, Congress, Left and almost all the regional outfits spread across the country, from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in the north to Orissa in the east and Maharashtra in the west and Tamil Nadu in the south. Here's a report. The Shenzhen headquartered Chinese company took 2 years to build overseas key information database using artificial intelligence and big data techniques. There are at least 40 former and current chief ministers and deputy chief ministers or their family members. They are not just from BJP-ruled or Congress-ruled states, but also from the states led primarily by the regional parties, including Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Orissa, West Bengal and Delhi. This include Jharkhand Mukti Morcha's Hemant Soren, AAP's Manish Sisodia, BJD's Navin Patnaik, TMC's Mamta Banerjee and Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray. Significantly, the OKI-DB tracks 70 mayors and deputy mayors of big and small cities in India, from Hisar in Haryana and Burhanpur in Madhya Pradesh to those in Jodhpur, Agra, Guwahati, Mumbai, Delhi, among others. In China, a mayor is the highest ranking official in a city and wields administrative power, even if answerable to the municipal secretary of the Chinese Communist Party. Also, just in terms of numbers, most politicians being tracked belong to the two big national parties, BJP and Congress, with at least 200 from each. Politicians from the left parties include the CPI, CPM and Forward Bloc are also in good numbers. There are at least 60 who are either current or former MLAs and MPs belonging to one of the parties from the left. Some of the prominent families being tracked are the Gandhis, the Pawars, the Scindias, Sangmas and the Badals. Interestingly, in the list are also families of Bollywood actors who ventured into politics, such as Hema Malini, Anupam Kher, Munmun Sen, Paresh Rawal and the late Vinod Khanna. At least 2 former presidents, late Pranab Mukherjee and late APJ Abdul Kalam or their relatives, 5 former Prime Minister, late Rajiv Gandhi, late PV Narasimha Rao, late AB Vajpayee, HD Devagowda and Manmohan Singh or their close relatives, associates are among the politicians who are part of the OKI-DB. Many former chief ministers of state or their relatives under the watch are Kamal Nath, Bhupender Singh Hooda, Ashok Chavan, Siddaramaiah, Shankar Waghela. Also in OKI-DB are Shashi Tharoor, Baijayan J. Panda, Meenakshi Lekhi, Abhishek Banerjee, Mamta's nephew, Kalikesh Narayan Singh Dio and Divya Spandana. Bureau Report.